Now, why? Because our mind is a clutter. If I ask you all to just sit just now for 5 minutes without moving, without any music, people are going to become agitated. Why do I show you pictures? Why do I show you some nice soft music? To change the frequency of your brain waves. I bring you down to alpha level. Again I repeat, I bring you down to alpha level, whereby you are absolutely concentrating over here and thoroughly focused. Our mind is like a cell phone. Over here, the mind is like a cell phone. You put it on silent mode. The moment you go, इसका phone आया है कि मेरे को देखने दो. Am I right? Why? This is the biggest cause of problems in life. The faster the communication, quicker the end of the world. Faster the communication, quicker the end. Do you agree? Can I prove it to you in a minute? What is the good name? Yes.
Ravi Shankar.
Sorry?
Ravi Shankar.
Ravi Shankar. Ravi Shankar saying, I have a big fight with you. Big fight. Your computer setting, your mobile setting. Very big fight. What will you do?
I won't fight.
Huh?
My nature is not to fight.
Now for once you say to fight and give me something.
I mean, I try to overcome. That's when somebody fights, fight to win.
Let's generalize. Anybody who wants to fight with me, no. Anybody who volunteer and say, yes, I want to fight with you.
Win over an argument because they are arguing.
You argue.
So, win over an argument.
Now, when I say argument means how will you argue? You can't, suppose you are in Andheri, I'm here.
Raise the voice probably.
But you will immediately pick up your cell phone and dambas. Fight it. Or not having a cell phone. I want to put it in writing and teach him a lesson. You send me what the computer language, email. Now, without applying your mind, in a fit of anger, you send me the email. You think I am going to keep quiet? I'll keep the Shambhava lesson. Fatat, immediately opening the email, I start replying. Without even thinking what I am doing. Now, assuming today,
I will come this side.
now assuming today, we were both staying in a village. The problem happens. Means I have given you my peace of mind. What will you do? मैं उसको एक चिट्ठी लिखता हूँ. You go to the post office. That fellow says, साहब अभी तो टाइम बंद हो गया और निकल गया. कभी आएगा? अगले हफ्ते आएगा. So in a matter of 8 days, your full tempo comes down. Right?
You start thinking rationally also.
The tempo goes down. You are involved in so many other things. You start thinking about that. You put this on the back burner. Afterwards, what do? You write a letter. You go to post. अरे साहब अभी तो निकला है, अभी निकल गया, डाक निकल गया. अभी 5 दिन के बाद जाएगा. डब्बे में डाल के दो. You deposit. So how many days over? 5, 8, 7, 12. It takes 7 days to reach me. 12 and 7, 19. I read it even I forgot to everything. I still reply to you. Keep it on record. It reaches you after about a month. You have forgotten it, I have forgotten it. In today's world, if your communication has become very fast, it is destroying the world. Communication is destroying the world. I hope I am wrong, but you are well aware of what we are heading for. A time is going to come when this is going to become paperweight. Yes, it is going to become paperweight. Aeroplanes will stop flying.
What about the internet and all? It is benefiting a lot. You get a lot of information. What about that? It is not a...
Yes, but see, it's like a knife. You can use the knife to kill yourself, and a surgeon can use the knife to cure a person. I am not saying no.
Just by pressing a button, you get various information.
I am not saying no. I am not saying no. But here I am talking of something which is affecting our mind. I am talking of things about health and relationships. The causes of relationships. I am not talking about the good thing. Everything has got a plus side and a minus side. I am not saying no. I fully appreciate what you are saying. Today so many things you get on the net. You get not information, you get wealth of information. Ek khajana hai. It's like an ocean of information. I am not saying no. But here I am trying to prove a point that today, because of certain relationship issues, we are so fast in hitting each other. It's spoiling relationships like anything.
Clash of the egos it is.
Yes, it's clash of the egos.
No, sir, it is money and competition, achievement, ambition, and hatred.
But ultimately, bhaiya, the bottom line is ego, no? It is because you feel hurt.
Problem is, it doesn't give, we're not giving time for things to cool.
Yes,
Because of the speed, we're not.
yes, this is right. This is the answer.
Perhaps if some time was there, things would cool, I would be more rational, I would reflect on it, and my response might be totally different.
It will be totally different. You will start thinking from it. See, if you want to answer that person, my only simple thing is just do one thing which I am showing you now. If you go within for the answer, probably you will start thinking, yes, the fault was with me, not with that fellow. मैं सुना क्या मैं बोला क्या?
पहले का मालूम है जो रेमेडी था, when you have an anger, right, count 10 points with a deep breath.
Yes.
So by that time you become rational and the anger goes away.
Now in this Anapanasati meditation,
Conscious meditation.
can we just do this for 3 minutes?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Please. Now, in this meditation, do not cross your legs like this. The energy will start flowing in your body. Sit in this posture. Close your eyes, remove your specs, and just, please listen, concentrate on your nostrils over here. Concentrate on the air which you are breathing in and the air which you are breathing out. I will tell you something after we finish this. Just 3 minutes. I will tell you something. Please, come on. I want everyone to do it. Thank your Lord, your Guru, your spiritual master, and come back into this room. Any feelings? Anything you would like to share? Okay, sir. You can do it anywhere. You can do it anytime. The question running in your mind, I can see before food, after food, खाना के पहले, खाने के बाद भी कर सकते हो. Anywhere, any place. No restriction. People have been cured of incurable diseases doing this meditation. Why? Did anybody get any pain in the body?
Everybody gets pain.
You got a bit?
Yes, I mean, I'm
Where
not
did
saying.
we get?
Huh?
Where did we get?
When?
Where did we get? You got a.
Every part of the body, sometimes maybe here, sometimes maybe here, sometimes.
I am a pain in your neck.
No, no.
No, I'll tell you what happens, my friend. When you are doing this, a thrust of cosmic energy starts flowing down. Again, you'll ask me, is it a fact? I've got a beautiful movie on this. There's no time. Thrust of cosmic energy is coming down. It's clearing your blockage. Don't stop once you get pain. The moment you come out of this meditation, your body will become stiff, it will become hard. But only for half an hour maximum. And then see the feeling of relaxation which you get. See the feeling of pleasantness which you get. I'm saying do it for 20 minutes twice a day. Start seeing things happening. For you, it is very important. Only thing is, sit with your spine straight and feet apart. Do not cross your feet like this. Because then you are stopping the circulation of energy in your body and system. Sit with your feet apart like this. I add something little more to this. If a person is suffering from some pain or something, after this meditation is over, just sit like this. Have you seen beggars begging on the road? How do we beg? And then what do? We give them. Start begging from your God, from your Guru. Ask him to give you something in your hand. Believe me, you will get something. Just tell him thank you. Do like this. And on whichever part of your body you are having